Okay, so straight into it, I'm going to section off the parts that I'm going to leave out. I'm just going to start with my back, my sides, and I'm just doing this little trick right here. You just put the comb and you can flip it up to see if you see the comb or not, and that's how you'll know if you won't see the tape ends. So now I'm just sectioning it out. I'm just trying to crisp my parts up. You just want to section it out and it'll look like this. So now for the tape extensions. So I'm just going to do my first part. So here's me. I'm just taking the tape off, the little tape part off of the extension, and I'm just placing the tape extension an inch from my scalp. You don't want to put it directly on your scalp. And I'm just pressing down. You just want to press down firmly. And I'm just doing the same thing, taking off the little tape part, and I'm just placing it on my hair, and you're just pressing it. And after you do that, you want to lift it up because you have to sandwich them. And you just take the part, make them even, and then just press them together. And I didn't use a flat iron. It was okay for me to just press them with my finger firmly. So this one came out, so I had to reapply it, and I just pressed it in, and it was okay after that. And you just want to lift it up. You want to line the back with the top, and then press it firmly so I can hold. And I got my first two in. So you just want to repeat that step. Just part it. Take the tape off. Press it an inch away from your scalp. Press down, and just sandwich them together. It's so easy, but I'm a hairstylist, so maybe it's a little easier for me. And this is just me just lifting it up, seeing how it looks. And you just want to make another part and repeat that step. It's very repetitive, so it gets easier and easier. I like to lay all my top ones down first, then I like to go back in, then sandwich them together. Trying to make sure it's flowing, and I'm just trying to make sure right here that you cannot see. I'm just trying to see how it looks. Make sure you can't see any tape ends. Okay, and this is the final look. I am all done. It looks so natural. You can style these so many ways. I will be uploading the video to show you guys how you can style them. Thank you for watching.